So, from the last session, we people are discussed with the loops in TypeScript. So, in that we are discussing the for loop, for in loop, and for off loop, right?
Yes,
Okay.
Bharat.
So, these loops we are going to be using with basically to iterate a TypeScript program again and again until the boolean condition going to be false. Okay. So, I hope you people are able to understand the what is for in loop, and for off loop, right?
Yes, Bharat.
And also we will be discussing the some examples also. So any questions, anything?
No, Bharat.
Yeah, Ganesh, thank you. So today we are going to be discuss the array TypeScript. So yesterday we already discussed what is array, right?
Yes, Bharat.
So array is nothing but it is a non-primitive data type first of all. Data type. Okay. So this array going to be allow the similar values and mix up the values in single variable. It is allow the similar values or mixed values in single variable. Okay, so array is a non-primitive data type. So it is going to be allow the similar values or a mix of the values in single variable. And array is a special type of array is a special type of data type. Array is a special type of data type. It allow the similar values in index wise. Mali course 90. Online? Sorry. Online?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So array going to be allow the values index wise. So index starts with the 0. Okay. So the index going to be start with the 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay. And if we define an array in TypeScript by using angular brackets we can. So by using this angular brackets we can. So this is nothing but it's an array. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So in TypeScript we have two types of arrays. So types of arrays in TypeScript is we have two types. One is single array or single dimensional array. Second one is double dimensional array. Okay. So single array or a double array, we have two types of arrays in TypeScript. So in this, when we people are supposed to define a single array. So when we people are supposed to define a single array, so first we are going to be defining by using a syntax like this. So it means, so first variable, so name of the variable and data type must be defined the angular bracket. Then only TypeScript is going to be consider this ARR is a array. So equal to, so here you have to add the values. So I'm not saying the only these values. I can, so here we can add any kind of values in this variable, but it must be a similar. It must be similar. Array allow the similar values. Array mix of the values in single variable. Okay, so this is the data type. This is the syntax we people are going to be used to define the array. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So I think so. Manoj is not available. Okay, guys. So when we people are supposed to write one program for array, so simply create a one file in TS. So right now we are discussing the single array .ts. So see this. So I hope you are able to understand what is array, right? So we are discussing the single array. So the single array we can define like this. So let array number angular brackets. So we can able to store like this 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So this is the way we can define the array. It is one way to define the single array. Any confusion? Online?
No, Bharat.
No, Bharat.
Yeah, this is a one way to define the array. So when we define an array like this, these values are going to be stored the index wise. When we people are define the array like this, so these values are going to be stored the index wise. The first value, the index is 0. The second value, index is 1. Third value, index is 2. Fourth value, index is 3. Fifth value, index is 4. So this is the order our array is going to be followed when we given an array in TypeScript. Not only the TypeScript, even JavaScript, Java, everywhere it is set. Clear? Yeah.
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So thank you, Ganesh. So this is a one way to define the array. So when you define an array like this, it is a literal formation of array. When you people are supposed to define an array like this, it is literal. It is literal array. Okay. So in TypeScript, the same array in TypeScript, the same array we can define the using a generic array also. Generic array. So how to define the generic array? So when you define array like this, it is a literal array. So this is going to be allow the values index wise. Same TypeScript, we can define the array is generic formation also. So this time, so see this array. So number. So actually, when we want to store the values, number is a data type, right? So it means it allows the only numbers. But if I want to define a generic array, so here you should have to use the name of array, and here you can specify the data type. So like this. So this is the way also we can able to define the array. So here I can able to take a values like a testing, string testing, manual, automation, TypeScript, or Playwright. So when you define an array like this, it is a generic type of array. Even this array going to be also allow the value 0, index wise 0, 1, 2, 3, then it is 4. Are you able to understand? The first declaration is literal formation of array. The second declaration is generic array. Any questions?
Bharat, in place of string, we can give some other thing.
Yes, in the place of string, we can give anything, in number or boolean or any. So we have a multiple data types, right?
Oh.
Union. So anything we can give. So as of now, for taking the strings, I am using string.
We can give number also, no?
Yes, we can give number also. When you are going to be given number, so that time here you have to add numbers. Already I used the number here. That's why I used here string.
Okay, this is one type of syntax, like generic.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
This is generic type of array. This is little type of little formation of array. So both are single arrays.
Okay,
Is it
Bharat.
clear?
Got it.
Yeah. So, and also from the beginning we people are discussed the array is allow the similar values or a mix of values in single variable, right? See this? It is allow the similar values and also it allow the mix of the values also, right?
Yes, Bharat.
So when we supposed to define the mix of values or mixed values. So using a literal array, so see this. Let array to. So here, when you are supposed to add a mix of the values, so take like this, number or string, like this. You can put the array. So here you can able to add anything. So like 1, 2, or A, or B, or 3, or C, like this. It is mixed array in literal formation. It is mixed array in literal formation. So from the beginning, so array number, we are taking the only number, we are taking the only similar values in this array. But here, when I am taking a mixed values, array to number and string, here string can allow the characters and group of characters, right?
Bharat,
Yeah.
why మనం ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ జనరిక్ అరేలో ఎరే అండ్ లైక్ బ్రాకెట్స్ లో పెట్టాం కదా,
Angular brackets లో string and
Angular.
yeah.
సో వై డు వి నీడ్ దట్? లైక్ సో డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇక్కడ స్ట్రింగ్ అని అవ్వచ్చు కదా, ఎరే అండ్ స్ట్రింగ్ అని.
Yeah. So ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇలా తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, when you define a array, single formation of array, so it going to be allow the only similar values, but it is fixed, the size.
Yes.
But when you take like this, it is not fixed. We can take n number. It is nothing but it is a collection. So if you have an idea about Java, so this is a collection.
ఓకే.
So here you can add n number of values. There is no size limit.
ఓకే. బట్
So
లైక్ ఫస్ట్ దగ్గర సింగిల్ ఎరేకి డిఫైన్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం నంబర్ ఏం ఫిక్స్ చేయలేదు కదా. సో
see here, whatever the values you are assigned, this value is only fixed. But when you define like this, here there is a one more method, is a pop.
ఓకే.
We can add again multiple values. I'll tell you that methods also.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Okay. So as of now, I will tell you. So it is a facility in TypeScript. We can able to take both ways.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
So both are correct. Anything you can use.
ఓకే.
Yeah. So this mixed values. So here literal formation like this we can. Is it clear? Online, is it clear?
Yes.
Bharat.
So I hope you are able to understand the what we people are discussing, right? So we people are discussing single array. So that array we can define literal formation and generic formation, and so it array going to be allow the mix of the values like this. Clear, right?
Yes, Bharat, clear.
Yeah. When you people are suppose taking a arrays like this, if you want to print these values, if you want to print these array values, any value, so how can you print it means? So console.log, directly you should have to give that array name. So array, it can print the first array, then it can print the second generic array, then it print the mix of the values. By writing a statements like this, so we can able to print it the automatically enter the array values. Okay. TypeScript executor, path of the file. So see this guys, when I'm supposed to printing the values, so here I'm going to printing the like this. See, first array 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Next array testing, manual, automation, TypeScript and Playwright. Then mix of the arrays 1, 2, A, B, 3 and C. Is it clear? We people are able to getting the all the array values by using the name of the array, right?
Yes, Bharat.
But how these values are going to be assigned? Through index wise. How these values are going to be assigned? Through index wise. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
And also here you have to know one more thing. So array we have to define two ways. One is literal array and generic array. So here when we want to take a mix of the values by using a literal formation of array, data types we have specified like this. But here if you suppose to store true, it's going to be through the error, right?
Yes, Bharat, we have to add a boolean.
Yeah, we have to add boolean also. But if you avoid like this, even generic formation also we can define the array. So how? Array 3. So generic array how? Array. So if you define a data type string, it allows string. If you define a data type number, it allows number. If you define a data type boolean, it allows the boolean. But we have one data type in a TypeScript, that is any. Any data type can allow the any kind of data, right? Allow the numbers, characters, and mixed values. Yes or no?
Yes, Bharat.
Yes.
So like this. Like this. So even the generic array also we can define the mix of the values by using a any data type. Clear? So even if you are supposed to print that also, yes, console.log array of 3.
Bharat, in generic, if you want to add like two string and number means,
In a generic array, if you want to only strictly restrict that only numbers and strings, you are asking, right?
yes, yes, Bharat.
So that time we don't have any data type. Only we're asking strings and numbers. It is showing the error. It is a syntax error, right?
Okay.
Okay. For this, whatever the question you are asking, for that purpose, we have a tuple. So tuple is also one data type. We'll discuss next class. But
Okay.
today we have to focus here. Okay. So see this. All the array values we are able to getting the through the object name, right?
Yes, Bharat.
So this is the way we can define the array in TypeScript. This is the way we can able to get the array values. Clear?
Yes, Bharat.
But now I have one small scenario. My scenario is in my TypeScript, I define the array. One is literal formation, one is generic formation. In this, values are stored the index wise, right? I want a specific value. If I'm suppose looking 30, or if I'm suppose looking at automation value, or if I'm suppose looking at character C, or if I'm suppose looking at Cypress. So if I want to looking at specific value, how can I want to get it? So see this, when you people are supposed to looking the specific value, what is the index of this 30?
2.
2. So when you are supposed to looking a specific value through index we can.
So array of 2.
Yes. So array of 2.
భరత్ ఎరైని ఎలా అయినా డిఫైన్ చేయొచ్చా ఏఆర్ఆర్ ఏఆర్వై అయినా
ఎలా అయినా డిఫైన్ ది వేరియబుల్ నేమ్స్ ఆర్ యూజర్ డిఫైన్డ్.
యూజర్ డిఫైన్
ఎస్.
భరత్ జనరిక్ లో అయితే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఏరే ఉండాలి కదా.
సారీ జనరిక్ లో అయితే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా నేమ్ అనేది అరే ఉండాలి.
ఓకే.
See console.array of 2. So by writing this statement, we people are going to be getting the 30 value. Or if I am looking at automation, what is the index in generic? 2, right?
Yes.
See console.log array of 2. Then if I am suppose looking the C character, what is the index? What is the
0,
index?
Five.
5.
5.
Console.log array 3 of 5, right? Console.log, if I am supposed to looking the array of 3, I want to looking a software. What is the index?
0, 1, 2, 3, 5.
5, right? But what is the name it is? Okay, earlier it is 2, but now it is 3. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So when I am printing these values for your understanding purpose, I'll going to be printing some difference. So some lines like this. Okay, in our console. So copy the path, TypeScript executor, path of the file. So see this guys. Based on the index array of 2, we are getting 30, right?
Yes.
Then array of 2, we are getting automation because of this automation index. Okay, then array of 5, we are getting C. Array of 5, we are getting software. See, when you are supposed to access a array elements through the index like this we can. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Or else, if you are supposed to print every value one by one, so that time what you want to do? You are supposed to print every value one by one. What you want to do? By using for loop or for end loop or for off loop. Yes or no? Online? Yes
Yes,
or
Bharat.
no?
Yes,
Yeah.
Bharat.
So for your understanding purpose, I'll explain how to use for end loop. So let I in ARY. So when you write like this, so it's going to be iterate the one by one value through index. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So when you assign like this, automatically this array going to be assigned the index 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Based on the index, it is iterate the values. So మీకు classic for loop తెలుసు కాబట్టి I am directly taking for in loop. So see this, we people are successfully getting the values one by one. So not only this for loop, so if I comment this, so we can use classic for loop also. So let I equal to 0, I less than array dot length. If you want to find the length of the array, length is a property or I plus plus. So console.log array of id. So this is a classic for loop. By writing this for loop also, we people are going to be getting the same output. So the output is same. There is no difference. If you use for or for loop, both are same output. Is it clear? Both going to be work the index wise. Clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Or else we have one more loop is for off loop. So when you use for off loop, let of I of array. So it is going to be taken the values one by one, not a index wise. So when you are supposed to use a for off loop, it is not going to be work with the based on the index. You take the directly a values. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
TypeScript executor. Yes, see this. We people are going to be iterated the one by one. It is a generic array. Is it clear? Yeah. You people are able to understand. Any questions, anyone?
No, Bharat. No, Bharat.
Yeah.
No, Bharat, clear.
Thank you. So, but now, when you are supposed to work with an array, so in array there is a multiple methods. In array there is a multiple methods we have. So in array we have a multiple methods. So for the working the arrays. So in that The first method in array is push is a method. So the first method in array is push is a method. So basically this push is going to be used to add singular multiple elements in the end of the array. Singular multiple elements in end of the array. Is it clear? Push is a method to add singular multiple elements in end of the array. So for your understanding purpose, I will take very simple thing. So here we have a array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? This is my array. So in this array, if I'm supposed to add end of that 60 and 70. So that time what I want to do, see this, very simple. So by using a push method, array dot push
60
so
comma
60 comma
7.
70 or 80, or you have to assign only one value also. That is your wish. That is your wish. After using a push, so if you are supposed to print that in a console, yes, you can. Array. So see this. TypeScript executed the path of the file. So see this. In my array, before using a push, we have a values 10, 20, 30, 50. But now we people are added the 60, 70, 80 in the end of the array, right?
Yes, Bharat.
So this push is a one method in array to add singular multiple values in TypeScript. Is it clear?
Bharat, array length is fixed, right?
Yeah. See, array length is fixed when we are going to be given here like this. But
Okay. I got it. So you are using another.
yeah. So but now we people are going to be separated with the object. Here we are using the push method after that. That's why only here it is a very clear method to add the singular multiple values or multiple elements in end of the array, not in between.
Okay.
So in between that already size is fixed. But ends, that is our wish, right? Yeah.
So you
And,
can add the elements to any array, right? Or like
yes, any array.
మీరు 3 ఫార్మాట్స్ చెప్పారు array declaration.
Yes.
So you can make changes.
Yes.
Any array.
Any array, it will work same way.
In Java, it is not possible. Right?
Yeah, in Java, it is not possible. In Java, it is fixed length. We can't add in between the middle of the array. So for that only in Java, we have a collections. But in TypeScript, the collections are also inbuilt into this array only. We don't have a collections here. That's why in Java, when you define a collection, that is array list, linked list, set, list interface, there is collection framework, right? So in that, we people are define the array wrapper class string like this, right? That's why only here we are defined here. This is the way. The same behavior.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, Manoj. So I hope you are able to understand, right? Push is a method to add singular multiple elements in the end of the array. This is one method. Then we have one more method in array is pop. So we have one more method is pop. Pop is one method to remove one element from the end of the array. Pop is a method to remove the last element from the array. To remove the last element from the array. As of now, what is the element last? Element means value.
80.
80. If I am supposed to remove that, so array dot pop. Array dot pop. I don't want to do anything, just I can print the same way. So see the difference. So see this, first time we have a 80 when you use a push method, but when you use a pop method, here the 80 is removed, right?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah, to remove the last element from the array by using a pop method we can. Okay, so then there is a one more method in array, that is shift. So shift is completely opposite for pop. Shift is a one method to remove the first value in array. Remove the first value or element in array. Okay, so what is the first element? 10, right? So consider array
Dot
dot
shift.
shift. So it's going to be remove the first, means 10 value. TypeScript executor, path of the. So see this, when I remove 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Last one is 80 is removed by using a pop method. First one 10 is removed by using a shift method. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay. Then we have a one more method in array, that is unshift.
To add element at first.
Yes, unshift is a method to add a one or multiple elements at from the beginning. So unshift is a method to add one or multiple elements in array from starting or beginning. Even a technical word is enough. Okay, online, is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So see this, if I'm supposed to add, so unshift is a method. So actually, I'll going to be add 100, 200, or 300 from the beginning, right? Because of to separate the data. Earlier we have a 10, 20, 30, but now we are added the hundreds. For your understanding purpose, I'm taking like this. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So now, when you are supposed to execute it, TypeScript executor, the path of the file. So see this, now in my array beginning, 100, 200, 300, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Are we people are successfully added the values from the beginning or not?
Yes, Bharat. I add.
భరత్ అది
Yes.
స్ట్రింగ్స్ బులియన్ కూడా యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చా షిఫ్ట్ అన్షిఫ్ట్ యూజ్ చేసుకుని
Yes, we can add, but array must be, you have to verify, are you able to specify the generic array, or you are going to be specify the this mix of the array. You should have to compare it, or what is the data type of array.
ఓకే బేస్డ్ అపాన్ ది అవర్ అరే ఓన్లీ we can use the same method only, right?
Yes,
Okay.
so these are the methods. So but if you
Like if you want to remove two or more elements from the end or at the beginning.
yeah, we have a splice is a method. I will tell you, give me a time. Okay.
Okay.
So then one more method in array is concat. Concat is a method to combine two or more arrays. To combine two or more arrays. So actually, my array dot concat. So I'll going to be combined like this, like what, 1000 and 2000. Sorry, 2000 and 3000 and 4000. So like this, I am going to be concatenating. So see this, where we are concatenating in this array, right? So when I am concatenating equal to array, like this you can. So the same array I'm about to concatenate. That's why I am using the same data type to assign this data. Clear?
Yes, brother.
So just to print it like this. So now you are supposed to run TypeScript executor, the path of the file. So see this, when I concatenated the multiple arrays, so in my existing array, so see this 100, 200, 300, these values are added from the beginning by using a what method? Unshift method. These values are added the unshift method. Okay. But when you are using the concat method, this method is going to be added the values from the ending. Is it clear?
Yes, brother.
Unshift is a method which is going to be help us to add the elements from the beginning. But concat is a method to add the multiple arrays into the end of the array. Is it clear, guys? So that's why only I am telling one by one sequence. Is it clear?
Bharat,
Yeah.
can we concatenate two arrays, like I mean array plus array? Can we add array 1 to array?
Yes, we can.
So like here we added like 1,000 to 2,000.
Right.
We put them in array, right? Instead of that, like can we add
See,
array 1 to array?
yeah, we can add. See, array is number data type. Array 1 is string data type. So
Yeah.
can we able to add the numbers into the strings?
No, we can add array 2.
Yeah. Or here we have a mix of the data, right?
Yeah, here we have mix. Yes.
So that's why it is not also a size table.
Okay.
When you have a array is any, so this is also a mix of. This is also not size table. That's why for your understanding purpose, like this I am taken. But if you have a separate, then you can just give the name of the array. Then it will be added.
Okay. It will be added to the end.
Yes.
Okay. Then after this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. So once if you know the concat also, we have a one method is slice. So slice is a one method. It extract the set of elements like a very simple. I'll tell you. Slice. Slice is a method to extract the set of elements. So how it is means. So basically I have an array like this, right? 100, 100, 200, 300, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. Like this we have, right? Online, is it clear or not?
Yes, but clear, brother.
Yes. When you have like this, if you are supposed to extract a 22 at the end of the array, irrespective of 100, 200, 300, I am going to be extract these values only. I don't want this. From the beginning, first 3 index I am not required, but the rest of the 3 index I need a values if you are going to be think like that. So that time, the slice method going to be extract the set of element through a index. So index always begin with the 0, right? Index always begin with the 0, right?
Yes.
So now tell me, if I want this 22 up to 4000, what is the index of this 20?
3.
3, right? Yes. Very simple. So
Array.
console.log array dot slice three. So when I given like this, so see this. What it can do is TypeScript executor. See, 100, 200 we are not getting, but the rest of the values we people are going to be getting, right?
Yes, brother.
Slice is a method if you are going to be extract, or if you want to fetch the group of values through a index. So by using a slice method, we can. Got it?
But the set of elements should be in sequential manner.
Yes.
Okay.
Whatever the manner we are assigning, the same manner we can get it.
Okay.
Okay, this is called it as it's a slice is a method. The slice method going to be work with the index wise. Index wise. The slice method going to be work with the index wise. So index wise, it is mandatory. Index wise, it is 0. Clear? So if you give a 3, so automatically the 3 index is going to be taken from the beginning, right? So this is your output. So slice method is going to be work with the index wise. So then we have a one more method is splice. This is slice. Next method is splice. SPLICE. Splice is a method. It add or remove the elements. It add or remove the elements in array. Online, is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So see this, guys. When you are supposed to use this splice method, this splice method is going to be required with 3 parameters. I'll going to be provide the syntax. Okay. Splice method syntax is so array dot splice. So it required the starting index or starting value and delete count, how many values you want to delete, and items, delete count, where that items are going to be set. Item 1, item 2, item 3, like this. This is the syntax we use. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So here,
What is
splice?
that item then, Bharat?
Sorry?
What is that item?
Item is our elements.
Okay.
So each element is we call it as a one item. Okay,
Okay.
I will show you. You will you can easily understood what I'm saying. Okay, so start means starting index, where you want to start. See this. Actually, what is my array? So before using a splice, I will print my original array first. Original array. So original array we have like this. Is it clear? So మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి now I am just printing the original array first. See, my original array is 100, 200, 300, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000. This is my original array. Got it?
Yes, Bharat.
But now our actual task is begin. What means? By using a splice method, we can add or remove the elements. First, I will show you remove the elements. So how we are going to be remove elements means, so array dot splice. You need to be specific. See this splice. Start a number, delete count, and number of elements. What array elements? See number of array elements. Is it clear? It return the array. Okay. So see this starting index. I want to start my index is. I want to start my index is. So what is the index of 1000?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
9 is the index, right? I'll going to be begin with 9 index. After 9 index, I want to delete the two elements. So delete count 2.
2.
So delete count I given the 2, right? Are you able to understand?
Yes.
So when you give a here delete count 2, so it going to be telling how many elements we people are removed. How many elements we people are removed. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So as of now, when we give a 2, it's going to be remove the 2 elements, right?
Yes.
So now we people are going to be give the whatever the items we have. So we have items 1000, 2000, 3000 like this, right? So
Yes.
here I'll give my array. See, this is the array only we are using this splice method, right? This is
Yes.
the array only we are using splice method, right? Don't specify anything. So here you can also put it a 1000 like this. So this entire statement is going to be written the one value. Yes or no?
Bharat, can you come? I did not understand that 1000. 9 is the starting of the uh,
Starting index of the
starting index where we want to delete.
yes, where we want to delete.
Okay.
And then 2 is a count of the delete.
Starting from number 9 index, so you want to delete 2 items.
Yes.
Okay. Like why
So
are you using
yeah,
1000?
without using the 1000, of course I will show you how the execution is going. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So without using that, I will show you first. Uh, so when you use this, it can be stored. Let remove, remove, remove elements. So original array we are going to be already printed. So after that, I'll going to be print as the remove array. So that remove elements. Remove elements. Whatever the elements we remove, that elements only I'm printing. Is that clear?
Do we need to reassign the array, because like once you remove and like if you print the original array,
Yeah.
so
See,
does it not changes the
here
previous?
original array we are printing, right?
Yeah.
So in this original array, what are the elements we are removed? That removed elements I'm printing.
Okay, okay, you're okay. The elements that got removed.
Yes.
Okay.
So TypeScript. See, when I given the array like this is my original array, right?
Yes.
In this, if I begin with this starting index is 9, so this is the value is located, right? After that, I given the count is 2. It means this starting index and after the next index value we want to remove. These two values are removed. This is my two values removed. Is it clear?
Yes.
Again, how it is going to be formed removed array? Again, it is going to be formed as the array formation. Yes or no?
Yes.
Got it? So this is the way you can remove the elements. This is the way you can remove the elements. Clear? Or if you are supposed to put a 0, whatever the items you are going to be removing, that items are, we are not added anything. Already I told splice is a method. It's going to be help us the add or remove the elements. As of now, we are not adding anything. Is it clear?
Yes.
So here we remove. But if you use a same splice method to add the elements, same splice method, add elements equal to array dot splice. So where I want to add from the ending index or from the beginning index, where I want. So after 300, I want to add here a 10. Is it clear?
Yes, but
What is the index of this?
2.
So 2. And I don't want to delete anything. 0. I want to add the value. So like a 10. So what I given item? Adding number. Is it clear?
yes.
But see this. Is it going to be added the only one number or multiple numbers? It can allow the multiple also. Is it clear?
Yes.
So
Why
see
it
this.
will add multiple values?
Sorry.
Why it will add multiple values, Bharat?
That is a mechanism of that method. Why it means that is a default mechanism.
Okay.
Okay.
Because you specified only one value, right? 10.
No. Here I given the item 1, item 2 like this, right?
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. Okay.
So here you can also put it
Okay, okay.
like
Okay,
this.
okay. That one. Okay, okay. 10, 3. Okay. Got it.
Or 1,
Okay.
2,
Got it.
3 like this.
Okay. Yeah, it may. I got it.
So console dot log add array. So whatever the array we have, that array. This is my array, right? After adding the array. Clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So for your understanding purpose, I'll execute again. TypeScript executor, the values. So where these values are added?
After index number
After index number.
2. So, Bharat, here the first one is the index number for removing
Yes.
and adding.
Yes.
Second one is the count.
Count.
Third
Delete
one
count.
is
Second one is delete count.
delete count. Okay, yes.
Delete or addition.
Yeah. So when you add that time delete count is 0.
Yes, yes, got it.
When you are not added the values, if you are going to be delete and if you are going to be added, that time you should have to maintain like this. Say from the beginning I given the 1000 like this, right?
Yes.
So that time నేను ఏం చూపించాలనుకున్నానంటే so what I want to show is I am deleting 1000 but I am again reassigning the 1000. That is the reason I am putting the 1000.
Okay.
Okay. Now you are reassigning adding 1000.
Yes. Now here starting index and deleting count and we are added the multiple values. Got it?
Yes, Bharat, got it.
Splice is a method. It support the add and remove both. Like this.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, it is clear.
Yeah. Then so there is a one more method we have, that is index of. There is a one more method. Which method? The count 8th method. Index of is a method. This method is common for every programming language. To find the specific element index. To find the specific element index. So see this. What is the index of this 30? I want to know. What is the index of this 30? I want to know. So that time what you want to do is console.log array dot index of 30. So we are passing 30, we get the 30 index.
Okay.
So based on the input, we people are going to be getting that index. TypeScript executor. So the index of 30 is 7. Is it correct or not?
Correct, Bharat.
Yeah. So 3, 6, 7. This is the 8, but 0 minus 1. Yes. Clear, right? 7 is correct. Yes or no? I think Avinash is saying it is yes.
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. Then, so if suppose I am given the one invalid number, console.log array dot index of, I'll going to be giving the 5000. Am I having the 5000 in my array? Am I having the 5000 in my array?
No.
No. By default, it is showing the negative.
Okay.
If a value is there, then it will the index. If value is not there, it print the negative. Got it?
Got it. We need to enter the multiple values also, right?
Yes. Oh, no, no, no. Index of is going to be accepted only one. So see this. So it's going to be a number. So it search the element from the index.
Only one element only, right?
Only one element.
One index. Okay.
So this is common for every programming language. Java also it is same. Okay. Yeah. So then one more thing is we have a one method is include. Include is a method. So include this is a one method. This include method going to be search the. So whatever the element we are going to be expecting, that element is available or not. It checks the element is exist or not. Exist. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So how? See, I have a here 3000, right? I have a here 3000. I want to check this specific 3000 is available or not in my array. Okay. So console dot log array dot includes
3000.
3000. If the 3000 is there, it print the boolean, right? True. So if you give a unwanted number, it print the false. Got it? Align? Are able
Got
to?
it, got it,
Yeah.
got it.
Yes, Bharat got it.
Only Boolean value will display either true or false only, right?
Yes, include.
Or index.
Yeah. No, includes not print the any index. It just print the true or false.
True or false. Only Boolean values.
Yes, boolean value. If it is available, it print the true. If it is not available, it print the false. But index of is going to be work with the numbers. If it is a index, that value is there, it print the index. If it is not there, it print the automatically a negative number. Are you able to understand?
Yes,
I
sir.
think,
Yes, Bharat.
yeah. So there is a one more method in array, that is is toString. ToString is a method to convert the array into string. Convert the array into string. So actually, my array is a numbers, right? All are numbers, right? Integer.
Yes, Bharat.
Yes. So when I'm supposed to convert this into a array formation, string formation. So see like this. Let what I want to take str array equal to so array dot toString. ToString. Yes, ToString is a method. Okay. So when you are supposed converted your string, your array into a string, yes, you can print it here. That string console.log str array
TRR, right?
TypeScript executor the path of the file. See, when the values are array formation, it print the square brackets. In between the square brackets, we are getting the values. But when it is converted array, it print the one by one, right?
So, Bharat, now we can add that string like text.
Yes. String is nothing but not only the text, even the numbers also. If you assign a double quotes, that is a string.
Okay.
So if you people are suppose feeling like a so string is nothing but it is a only string. This is not a string. If you assign this also, it is also a string. Or if you assign like this, it is also a string. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
If you add anything inside the double quotes or single quote, that is a string.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So these toString is a method to convert the array into a string. Okay. So then one more thing is length. Length is important. When you are supposed to find the length of the array. So yes, console.log array dot length. Okay. So TypeScript executor, the path of the file. So what is the length? 14. Okay. Or if you are supposed to find the last character index. So if you find any character index of is a method. If you want to suppose to find the last character index. So I have a last character means last element index means so 4000 is last, right? So
Yes.
without specifying anything, uh, last index of is a method. So console.log array dot last index of is a method. Sorry, not required. Yeah. So TypeScript executor, the path of the file. Last index of is a function. Yes, is a function. An argument of searching element was provided. Search a number, friend index, last index. Okay. Uh, that array. Okay. Then the index of the last character, last occurrence of the specified value. Okay. Mhm. So if I specify the value of 70, what is the index of last? TypeScript executor. See what is the index of 70? And there we have. Yeah. This is the one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 12 and 70 index is 11, right?
Bharat, like if that is the case, then what is the point of using last? There is another method, right? Inbuilt
Yeah,
method,
yeah,
array dot
yeah.
index.
Yeah. Here I will tell you one thing. So if you suppose one array is having the duplicates. So if suppose I have an array with your duplicates,
Okay.
array dot push, I have a 70 again. So what is when you use a push method, where it going to be add the value?
And
End, right? So TypeScript. So see this. What is the index? It is given?
14.
Yeah. And before that, after adding, I'll show you how many people are added the value or not. Console.log array. TypeScript executor, the path of the file. So this is my array, right?
Hmm.
So in this array, how many elements we have? 70, 70. Two times we have, right?
Yes.
But earlier we are getting this is a 11. But the last means duplicate.
Yeah.
That is one 14. Got it the difference?
Yeah. But like
So
what
in
happens like when we use other type of method, right? Index of or
index of
log,
is going to take the automatically the first position
the
index.
first one. Okay.
Yeah. So if you are especially looking the last character index means, so when you have a multiple, that time if you have to looking at duplicate one, that time use last index.
Okay.
Got
Yeah.
it?
Makes sense. Yeah. So can we sort the array? Like
Yes.
right now, like
Yeah, we have a
so
sort. We have a sort map and reduce. There is a other methods also. Those things we'll discuss. If we want to discuss those sort, those things, we need the some experience on functions.
okay.
Those are the inside the function methods. So that things I will tell you later.
Okay.
So in a array, we have advanced methods. So that advanced methods are not used to the in Selenium or in a Playwright, but we have a some methods. I'll show you the methods we have. There is a map for each and a sort reduce. Is the other methods we have. So see this array in TS with methods. So when you go to any ChatGPT or Copilot, you can able to see these all things. So to define a array, there is a two ways, and common methods are we have push method, pop method, shift, unshift, and we are not discussing this map. See this map, filter, reduce, for each, find. We are not discussed. Sort we are
Reverse.
not discussed. Reverse we are not discussed. Right?
Yes.
So because of the reason, this map is a method. Create the new array by applying a function to each element. By applying a function to each element. Okay. When you want to use a map, we need some knowledge on function. Okay. What is function? Function is a block. Okay. Once if you get any clarity, I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay. Then filter. So create a new array with elements that pass a test and reduce the array to a single value using a function. Okay. For each means if you know Java, Manoj.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, in Java we have for each loop to iterate collections, right?
Yes, yes.
So the same behavior here for each, but in Java that is a loop, but here it is a method.
Okay.
Extracts a function and each element no return value, and find sort method. Sort the elements of an array, reduce. So this one, and provide the examples in array. So just you have to give us one keyword. So see this basic array declaration using add, remove. I'm not asking this example. So you should have to practice some interview-oriented questions. Okay. Coding challenges. What are the things you challenge? What are the different ways to declare an array in TypeScript? How do you ensure type safety in a TypeScript of array? Because by defining the data type, only answer is defining data type. Type safety is nothing but when you assign a value in variable, we must be used the every time is a data type, right?
Yes.
So that
After colon we have.
yeah. So colon ane darni annotation and pilvali. Okay.
After that.
But annotation number. So by giving this, we people are going to be getting the type safety. Got it?
Yes.
Then what is the difference between number array and array number? So it is a generic formation of array. It is a single formation of array. Is it clear? How do you iterate over an array in TypeScript? Using for in loop or for loop or for each loop?
For out.
Okay? Or for off loop also. For each and for off. That one also we can use. No problem. How do you see the map to double the values in a number array? So this map I will tell you later. And map for each, filter, reduce. These things we discuss. Intermediate level questions. So then advanced level. How do you create a generic function that works with the array of any type? By using any data type, we can allow the any kind of data, right? So
Yes.
any అనేది discuss చేసాం already we people are. So here any means we can assign any kind of values. Any is a data type. Is it clear?
Yes.
So like this we can work. So next class first we can discuss what is function. So then we'll discuss the what is map, what is reduce, what is for each, those things. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, Bharat.
So TypeScript, in TypeScript, there is some interlink between the one functionality to another functionality. That is the reason only it is taking me some amount of time to explain everything.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay, Bharat. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bharat. Thank you so much.
Thank you.